We should like throw water.
No.
Hey Sam.
Hi. We need to go down.
No, not till 7:30.
Let's go run down there. Start brushing people's hair.
Told you not to fake fire around people. Claire's super hyper, and we actually have no idea why.
Stick your hole in the finger again. Sam with this at night. Go bam, bam. Fighting you guys and then ow.
I can't breathe.
It feels like something killing something, and then something like, oh my gosh.